Good evening, everyone. It's Tori here, and we got a train coming. Let's scroll up. Okay. What do we got? Black Tanker CCX. 2 Black Tankers CCX. Black Tanker Nadex. Black Tanker Gadex, another Black Tanker, White Tanker CBCX if I'm not mistaken, and a Black Tanker Alex, another Black Tanker Alex, Bus, Black Tanker, another Black Tanker, that's an Alex, and that's a Hopper. And there you have it. There you go, tankers in a hopper, and that's your train. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel today. Until then, this is Tori. I will see you next time.